An iPad Air 2020 A2316 came to us with a serious issue. Smoke from the charging port. We opened the iPad, removed the motherboard, and began diagnosing the problem. The first step was replacing the damaged charging flex using a soldering iron. After carefully soldering a brand new flex, we tested it, but the iPad still wouldn't charge. Digging deeper, we discovered the real issue: a burned chip on the motherboard. This required precise microsoldering. We removed the damaged chip, replaced it with a new one, and reassembled the device. And finally, success! The iPad is charging perfectly again. At High-Tech Phone Repair, we solve even the toughest problems. Follow us for more repair stories.